Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: an associate has just spent an hour working with the customer who is shopping for a party she is having this weekend. The customer realized one of the last time in her card is damaged. The employee orders to try to order a replacement for the damaged item and have it shipped to the customer in time for the party. The employee tasks the customer's information and the customer leaves with her purchases. The associate is due to leave for the delay and his supervisor has strict rule about overtime. What should the employee do about the special order and answer the question? Give the order to another associate to provide and ask that he follow up with the customer to let her know the order was placed. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.